Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Blue color, pink color, brown color, red color, yellow color, maroon color, dark blue color, black color, teal color, orange color, green color, violet color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets A, B, C, D. A for aeroplane. O for oil. W for watermelon. Green color D for duck. Q for question. T for tiger. G for grapes. M for monkey. Y for yogurt. C for cherry. R for rose. V for vanilla. H for house. K for kids. S for sun. E for eggplant. L for lychee. Z for zero. I for ink. P for pencil. U for uniform. B for box. N for nose. X for Xerox. F for fish. J for jellyfish. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, dark blue color, light green color, pink color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, yellow color, violet color, brown color, dark green color. Today we are trying to learn some shapes. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon, heart, oval, rhombus. Triangle. Red color. Triangle. Square. Yellow color. Square. Circle. Orange color. circle, hexagon, sky blue color, hexagon, star, purple color, star, pentagon, light green color, pentagon, heart, dark blue color, heart, oval, violet color, brown color, rhombus, rhombus, triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon, heart, oval, rhombus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.